Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Telegram account on a mobile device. So you have a Telegram account that you use to connect to your friends and families using Telegram application. You video call using that account, you share files using that account, but you can't figure out how you can log into that account. Watch this video till the end. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps to log into your Telegram account. You don't have to worry about anything. It's a very simple process. Just watch this video till the end and follow the simple steps I do. So the first thing in order to log into a Telegram account is that you need to download and install the Telegram application on your Android device. So if you don't have the Telegram application, go to your Play Store and download the Telegram application. Once you download the Telegram application, open the Telegram application. Once you open the Telegram application, what Telegram will do is ask you to enter the phone number that you want to log in with. So go ahead and enter the phone number that you use to create that account of Telegram. Once you enter your phone number, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, Telegram will send you a verification code. So wait for the verification code. Once the verification code is received, enter the verification code here. Once you enter the verification code, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll successfully log into a Telegram account. Now what you can do is enjoy using a Telegram application to video calls your friends and families, enjoy using it for sharing files, and enjoy using it to use the VoIP is provided by Telegram and many other several features. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.